In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change region in Netflix. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that Netflix does not have a setting that lets you manually change your region. Your Netflix library is determined by the country you are connecting from, so the content you see changes automatically based on your current location. If you have traveled to another country, simply connect your device to the internet and sign into your Netflix account. Netflix will automatically update your library to match the country you are currently in. Keep in mind that some titles available in your home country may not be available in your new location, while you can gain access to content licensed for that reason. If you are moving to a different country permanently, you may also want to update your Netflix account information. Open Netflix app or website. Make sure you are logged in. Now navigate to the My Netflix page, then click on your Netflix profile, then click on the option account. Now from here, update your payment method if required. In some cases, you will need to cancel your current membership and restart it using a payment method issued in your new country. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys are clear whether you can change your Netflix region or not. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.